Okay, now members, we are going to see the function machines. This is a machine that takes in data as input, operates it, and gives it out as output data. So if they tell you to draw, this is what we have. You input data, then they make an operation on it, then they give it out. As simple as that. So there are many operations that can happen there. They can add, they can divide, they can subtract, they can square, they can cube, they can multiply. As long as anything is going in here, and then it goes out there. So that's what happens. So activity here I'm going to do in groups of 3, find the output of the following. So you try out, this is the numbers they are putting in. They want you to get these ones here, up here. Then in this C1, find the input values of the following. So they are telling me that they are inputting X. They add it 2, then they add, they get 6. They want you to get X, they want you to get this figure, this one, this one, this one, and then this one. Yeah. So can you try that in our groups? In groups of 3, I think enough. Yeah. Today. Can you start? You have 10 minutes for that. One minute to go. Okay. So these are the ones we are going to use. I'm going to use group 8. Okay. So we are going to use these groups here. They are the ones who are finished. Okay. So I have group 8 here. So group 8 is going to be here. Then I have group 8 still. That's why they are having again. So we put them here. Group 8. Then we have group 5. Okay. So we have group 5 here. The rest of us extend the work you give to the group next to you. Then we have group 4. Group 4 are here. Okay, group 4 they did this, so I'm going to put them here. Group 4. Yep. Then I have this group is group 11. Group 11. Okay, let us look at them and then let us first look at them. The rest let us exchange. Okay, let us exchange. Okay, so we start here. So here we are having, they are putting in 3 and then they are adding the 4. What answer do we get? So this one they said 3 plus 4. The output is going to be 7. Is very okay. Then here 9 divided by 3. You get 3, which is okay. Then a negative 5 when you subtract negative 2, get negative 7. Then here we have 6 times a half. When you get 6 times a half, we get 3. Then here we have 3 plus 1. So there we first get a 4. So these ones never completed this. Yeah, they never completed this. So number 5 is incomplete. So this one is the first operation, but remember that we are multiplying by 2. So multiply this by 2, you get 8. That's what I expected here. So here the output, 3 plus 1, we get 4. Then after, then that's at the multiply by 2 the result. So that one I expected 8 as the answer. Then here we have 1 times 3, we get 3. plus 5. Yeah, there we get also 8. So this one they got it right. Then here, then we focus on this one, group 4. 12 divided by 3, we get 4. Then minus 2, the answer you get, you subtract 2. That's what they are having. So group 4. Then 7. We have now, here the machine has many operations. You put in one number, you get different numbers. So first they add it, they multiply it, they divide it, they subtract 2. So when you get 8, you add 2, you get 10. Multiply by 2, you get 16. Divide by 2, you get 4. Then subtract. So here they are subtracting 2. Then the answer you get, you divide by 3. Then the answer you get, you add 5. And this is the answer, is 7. So that's what we expected. So, yeah, here we are supposed to get a 2. Then here the answer is 7. So here the answer expected is 10, as you see, then 16, then 4, then that's 7 there. Then when you come to this, here they are having, now they want us to get the input values. They are putting in this, they add 2, they get 6. So this group, say 5, they said x plus 2, you get 6. They subtract this side 2, they subtract this side 2. So x was 4. Can you check? You can just which number do we, when we add 2, we get 6. I think you can do it by the end one step. Which number you divide by 3, we get 4. So they say the y divided by 3 is equal to 4. They cross multiplied, and that number is 12. Hope you can see how it is there. Which number you multiply by 2, we get 10. That one is very easy, it's 5. Then which number, when we subtract negative 4, we get 7. That is 11. I think you saw the D. B minus 4 is equal to 7. This is minus, so they add from both sides, and they got that. So here, the number, which number when you square it, and you add the 2, you get 11. So for them they are having 3, but now we are going to start. Whenever you get a square root, you get 2 sides. That is, so here I expected a plus or minus. So that's what I expected. This is okay. So that one is what I expected. So whenever you get a square root, you get a plus or a minus, as we are going to see. So the groups we are right, can we clap for them? Yeah, the rest now you can give the groups their work, and then we look at the work and see. So you try out the work in the learner's guide, then you present it. You are going to organize this work into your books, individual books. Then you hand in that exercise too with that work.